All right, let's talk about a new way to handle school progress reports, the student-led conference. What if your child ran the parent-teacher conference? It's a powerful idea that puts them in charge. Yep, your child is the one presenting. They're sharing their story in their own words. Think of it as a whole new team dynamic. Everyone's role is to empower the student. Success really starts before the big day. The prep is where the real magic happens. They choose their best work, reflect on it, and practice. It's about them thinking about their learning. These I can statements, they're not just a script. They are proof of real ownership. And the teacher? They're like a coach, helping your kid feel prepped and confident for the main event. Okay, prep is done. Now the student takes a stage. It's go time. And here's the big shift. This isn't about you talking to the teacher. The focus is on your child. So what about your role as a parent? It's super important and definitely not a passive one. Your job is simple but crucial. Be an active listener, ask good questions, and celebrate their progress. Questions like this one, they get your child to open up and really share what they've learned. And this question, it connects school and home. It shows you're on their team, ready to help. Simple sentence starters can give that specific positive feedback that builds so much confidence. But it's not over when the meeting ends. Now we look ahead to what's next. That follow-up chat with your child is key. It helps them reflect on the whole experience. So how will you celebrate their journey? Because really, that's what this is, a celebration of their growth.